You can make money online with CryptoCode's automated system by using a mix of automation, trading signals, and step-by-step training. At the core of the program is the Waybot Toolkit. This is an automated trading robot that scans the crypto market, finds the best opportunities, and can even place trades for you. Instead of spending hours watching charts, the bot does the hard work in the background. On top of that, you'll get premium trade alerts. These are signals sent straight to you so you can copy trades from experienced traders. It's like following the pros without guessing what to do next. If you want to learn how crypto works, you also get access to Crypto Code University, which has 92 video lessons. These lessons walk you through the basics of crypto, Bitcoin cycles, and even advanced strategies like reading trading charts. And to keep you connected, there's a private mastermind group, plus access to Joel and Adam's personal crypto portfolios and recordings from past boot camps. So the way you make money is simple. Let the Waybot handle trades automatically, use the alerts if you prefer to trade manually, and build your knowledge with the training. It's the automation plus education all in one system. If you want to start today, click the link in my description and sign up for CryptoCode now.